Establishing the right side of work in your crochet projects. Sometimes when we crochet, we will be crocheting projects that have an obvious right and wrong side that appear very different from one another. However, lots of crochet stitches look very similar on both right and wrong side of work. Your first clue can be the location of your yarn tail. If your first row was a right side row, then your tail will be on the left when your right side of work is facing you. This is, of course, if you're a right-handed crocheter, it will be opposite if you're left-handed. Another way to establish the right side of work is to be a bit proactive and to mark the right side of your work once you've completed your first right side row. You can do this simply by looping a piece of scrap yarn through one of the stitches on your right side row. And this way, when this little piece of yarn is facing you, you know it's a right side row. Alternatively, you can mark the right side of your work with an open stitch marker. These are just a couple of tricks that you can use to determine and establish the right side of your crochet project.